आप सुन रहे हैं समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया की साई न्यूज में ऑडियो बुलेटिन।
You are listening the national level audio bulletin of the Samachar Agency of India on 16 July 2020. Here is news from Preeti Bhosle. The COVID cases in the India increased by 9,68,876 and the recovered cases are 6,12,815. Now, state-wise scenario. Still, the Maharashtra showing the high figure 2,75,640 total COVID cases. Recovered cases are 1,52,613. In Tamil Nadu, total COVID cases 1,51,820. Recovered rate cases are 1,23,010. And in Delhi, total COVID cases 1,16,993. Recovered cases are 9,56,099. In Karnataka, total COVID cases are 47,253 and recovered cases are 18,466. In Gujarat, total COVID cases 44,552 and recovered cases are 31,286. In Uttar Pradesh, total COVID cases 41,383 and recovered cases are 25,743. In Telangana, total COVID cases 39,342 and recovered cases are 25,999. In Uttar Pradesh, total COVID cases are 35,451 and recovered cases are 18,378. In West Bengal, total COVID cases are 34,427 and recovered cases are 20,618. In Rajasthan, total COVID cases are 26,437 and recovered cases are 19,502. In Haryana, total COVID cases are 23,306 and recovered cases are 17,667. In Madhya Pradesh, total COVID cases 19,643 and recovered cases are 13,908. Today's top headlines are Prime Minister Narendra Modi says India-Europe Union partnership can play an important role in the economic reconstruction and human-centric globalization. Prime Minister present new mantra for the youth to skill, reskill and upskill to remain relevant and the changing business environment. Front-nighting long lockdown imposed in the Bihar from today to control the spread of coronavirus. Health Ministry says recovery rate of COVID-19 improves to the 63.24% in a country. Nearly 6 lakhs per pupil recover so far. World Health Organization, UNICEF warned against the deadline in the number of the children receiving of the life-saving vaccine around the world due to the pandemic. Flood continues in the Assam. Chief Minister Sabrananda Sonowal to take the stock Kaziranga National Park today. Now, news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said India and the Europe Union are the natural partners in their partnership is significant for the peace and stability in the world. The Prime Minister was addressing the 15th meeting of the India-Europe Union Summit held the virtual mode yesterday. The Prime Minister said his government is committed to strengthen and deepen the relation between the India and European Union and highlighted the need to adopt a long-term strategic practice. The Prime Minister said that in such a situation, India-Europe partnership can play an important role in the economic reconstructions and building when a human-centric globalization. The 15th meeting of the India-European Union Summit was co-chaired by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, President of European Council Charles Michel, and the President of Europe Commission Ursula von der Leyen. A joint statement of the summit said the leaders have been decided to strengthen to the India Europe Union strategic partnership based on the shared principle and the values of the democracy, freedom, rule of the law, and respect for the human for the people in India and the European Union. The External Affairs Minister has said the European Union summit was held in a very cordial atmosphere, marked by the mutual respect and the appreciation between the leaders, which have been the hallmark of the past interaction between them. The United States will be impose visa restrictions on the certain employees of the Chinese state tech companies like Huawei, and the provided material support for the regimes engaging in the human rights violations and abuse globally. U.S. Secretary of State Mike Pompeo said yesterday this will be the furthest strained bilateral ties. The announcement comes a day after UK announced a ban Huawei was a further future 5G network and the fees for the untrusted Huawei equipment for the existing network. Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed a virtual conclave on the World Youth Skill Day yesterday, organized the Ministry of the Skill Development and the Entrepreneurship. Speaking on the occasion of the Prime Minister Narendra Modi stressed a vital role of the skill migrant work in the changing local economy. The Prime Minister presented a new mantra for the youth: skill, reskill and upskill in order remaining relevant in the rapid changing business environment and market conditions. He started that the Skill India mission launched 5 years back has led the creation for the vast infrastructure for the skilling, reskilling and upskilling, and is enhanced the opportunity to the assess employment both local and globally. Prime Minister said the coronavirus crisis has changed the nature of the job and the work culture. Union Health Ministry said that the recovery rate of the COVID-19 infection has been the claim to the 63.24%, with the total number of recovery cases reached the close to the 6 lakhs. The ministry said the 20,572 people infected with the virus were cured during the last 24 hours, taking the total number for the recovery cases to 5,92,031. The ministry said the actual case for load of the COVID-19 is 3,19,840 active cases. It said the gap between recovery and active cases has been the constantly growing and it stands 2,72,191. In Jharkhand, 316 new COVID cases were confirmed. Yesterday, it was the biggest ever spike in the single day till now. The total number of the COVID-19 cases has crossed 4,000 mark for the presently strength and 4,562. The recovery rate of depleting, with the more number of cases being dedicated every single day, which are currently at 54.47%, almost 9% below the national average. The growing number of the COVID-19 cases is the biggest concern for the state government after the whole government is the functioning in the work of the home mode. The infection rate of COVID-19 is rapidly taking a steep curve after the infection is growing at a rate of 4.74% in the state, which is more than the national average of 3.36%. In Bihar, complete lockdown has been imposed from today for the 16 days in the entire state to contain the spread of the COVID-19. It will be effective till the 31st of July. The decision has been taken due to the alarming spike of the number of the COVID-19 cases in the state during the last 3 weeks. All the government offices, public corporation and the education institutions will remain closed. Private and the commercial establishment will be remain closed. However, the ration shop, dairy, vegetable, meat shop will be remain open. All the places of worship will be also remain closed, and religious gathering will be not permitted. All kind of the e-commerce and the home delivery will be allowed. The public transport service will be allowed in the lockdown period. However, private vehicle will be limited to the essential work only. The train and flight services and all construction related activity will be allowed along with the functioning and of the construction related shop. Similarly, agriculture related activity will also be allowed. In Uttar Pradesh, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has asked to pay the special attention to the cities like Lucknow, Kanpur, Amroha and the Jhansi, where the number of the COVID-19 patients increased regularly. The state yesterday tested more than 45,000 samples for the coronavirus infection. This is the highest number of the tests conducted by the state in a single day. The Union Territory of the Jammu and the Kashmir, there has been no let up in the number of the positive 19 COVID cases being reported in the authority and the relentlessly reaching out of the public on the daily basis and seeking their cooperation for the effective adherence and the advised for the containing spread of the coronavirus cases being reported in the Kashmir division. Punjab Minister Captain Amrinder Singh has urged all the ministers as well as MLAs and the secretaries to get themselves tested for the novel coronavirus a day after a challenge repeat. Our correspondent reports that the Chief Minister also underwent to the test was found negative. Captain Amrinder Singh has called upon the people to stay to go to testing the first sign of the symptom or the suspicions of having COVID-19 infection. He stressed early detection is a way to beat a disease and check the fatality. In Madhya Pradesh, COVID-19 cases count climbed in 19,643 with the addition of 638 new cases in the last 24 hours. The death toll in the state has now risen to 682. The state has 1,868 active containment zone. In Maharashtra, government will be formed the committee to fix the price to the face mask and the hand sanitizer so that the exorbitant rate of the charges, and the public health minister Rajesh Tope said this yesterday. You were listening the national level audio bulletin of the Samachar Agency of India on 16 July 2020. We will be present again same bulletin on 17 July 2020. Till then, goodbye. If you like this bulletin, then you must be like it, subscribe and share it. Till then, goodbye.